bump along the way was Tessa's first feature. It was my first feature as an individual producer, and it was Shelley Love's first feature as a director. So it was trying to find that team, and I found Shelley. And we just started from there, building the team around us. And it sort of came together quite quickly because I knew a production manager in Derry called Chrissy Gallagher, and our director of photography, who became our director of photography, the brilliant Mark Macaulay. And I just knew I needed to do it in Derry. There was nowhere else you could make this film. You had to make it in Derry, you know. But it was just a warm, funny, and very realistic story that we just felt we needed to do. So she said, yeah.